Welcome back to Hamtex Consults. We are today going to also create another one business card as usual, and what we urge you to do always is to subscribe to the channel, like and share, and let's know what you're thinking by a way of commenting on any of the videos so we can know what you're thinking, and then we can know how best to satisfy you. We are doing this purposely to enrich your experience on this platform. So without your comments and your opinion, we wouldn't know how you are feeling about what we are putting out here in terms of content, and you are encouraged to do so. Please again subscribe, share, and like. Let's begin. Now I pick my rectangle tool and then give it this color, background color. Now I get rid of the outline here. Copy it and black. Now this one also comes here. That's the name of the card holder. Comes here. Now my website address here. There's the contact address, contact numbers. I'll modify them. Oh, this is what I copied from one of the cards. Get rid of the outline, and then this is where I'll just release my logo and get this, copying them to place them here. This is really the center of it. finalize it by creating this I would need to let me create it fresh again. Choose the picture and then press B, get rid of the outline, and then we are almost exporting it. That is exporting it, and that is it. We are done. We have to go and export the backside of it too. So now let's go here. Follow the same process. Click here, press B, get rid of the outline, and then export. And as I always say, modify this name every day because it will end up overwriting the other side of it if you don't do so. Now let's look. This is what we have built out of the process we started and then the back side of it. Thank you. Please subscribe, share and like. Comment with your opinion and let us know how best we can satisfy you. Thank you.